Welcome back everyone. In this episode we're at Mildura's Lock 11 on Lock Island, and we thought we'd have a bit of a look while the river's in quite high. So the weir's been pulled out, so we're going to put the drone up into the air and have a look from a bird's eye perspective. Stick around. So we're above Lock Island here, looking from about the Weir, the Mildura Lawn Tennis Club and the bowling club to the right, Mildura CBD and the riverfront precinct there just in front of us.
To the river we go, leave our worries on the shore and drift away. On the river we know, sometimes the perfect words are never said.
We're sitting pretty close to right on top of the Weir, so now we're looking downstream and you can see the river's quite high through there. Whereas when we were looking upstream before, the river was pretty close to normal height, and that's because the Weir's been taken out to allow for all this extra water. There's the Weir all been pulled out, and up on the banks there's the insert for what it looks like, what all the Weir pieces look like. We'll chuck a lap of the island. So this is the lock channel, which allows safe passage for the boats from upstream, downstream. At the moment they can travel around because the Weir's obviously taken out. But we'll have a look at the lock a little bit further up here.
I spilled my coffee, I don't feel like talking. My worries just keep growing by the day.
So you can see there the lock, one gate closed, one gate open, but they've also put in a bit of I suppose a bridge there so they can get equipment across to pull all those Weir gates out. And have a look at the flow on the Murray at the moment. She is flowing like anything.
A moment where the green and blue appear, just spin a rock and watch the ricochet. To the river we go, leave our worries on the shore and drift away. On the river we know, sometimes the perfect words are left unsaid. You could change your mind when you're intertwined with the water and the waves.
So we're approaching where the Weir normally is, so you can sort of see where the river's quite high and then when it goes back to somewhat of a normal level. And that's obviously because the Weir's been pulled out. There's lots of people down here today enjoying Mildura's glorious weather, families having a picnic, people fishing. It's a really, really nice day. The river's fantastic. But that's about it, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.
As I grow older, well, that boat I'll never sail. It works better than the pills the doctor gave. And with that old fishing pole, I still catch 'em by the bucket.